So we have finally reached a stage where the Galaxy S10 is very much an established product. Samsung is working on a lot of things related to smartphones, and I personally believe that the S series lineup is gonna get what it actually deserves. The Galaxy S10 Plus is a smartphone revolution that comes with a bundle of upgrades. I have discussed those points in my previous S10 video, and now it's time to look at the actual smartphone. This picture comes out of Korea, shared by an unknown Reddit user, and as you can see, the Galaxy S10 Plus admires a minimal bezel view with a pill-shaped hole in display tag at the top right corner. We are still getting some bezels around it, but if you have any doubts related to that thick black border, I must tell you that it's just a flip cover case to avoid attention. The person who is using this device is a Samsung employee who's given a job to test an unreleased phone in real world. By the way, there are some more Samsung employees who own the same responsibility. A person among them shared his views about the S10 Plus on Reddit. He says that the device is about the same size as the Galaxy Note 9 but feels lighter than it. The in-display fingerprint scanner works perfectly fine and the iris scanner is not there. But to replace that, we have an improved face recognition. We don't have any information related to the feel of this device as it's placed in that flip cover that is not allowed to remove. The most anticipated side of the Galaxy S10 is an in-display fingerprint scanner, but according to some reports, this tag doesn't work through a screen protector. The information belongs to a case manufacturer named Armadillo Tag, and they say that the S10's display tag doesn't work with their screen protector. This sounds like a very bad news, but let's get into this. The screen protectors manufactured by this particular company is not simple one. Instead, it's something like a bumper case with a screen protector built in. That obviously creates air gap between the screen and the screen protector. So it's all related to their product and you'll not have any problem while using S10 with a screen protector on it. The Galaxy S10 will not show any improvement when it comes to charging speed. The S10 and S10 Plus have surfaced on China's 3C certification website with the same charging specification we have seen on the current flagship phones by Samsung. For those who find this a price cut, it's actually not, as Samsung is not going to repeat mistakes they have done with Note 7. And for me, a 15-watt charger is more than enough. Also, the S10 lineup will show a type of less battery consumption with the help of new technologies. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.